Hi everyone, today we're to look into how to create invoices for your clients automatically. Okay, first of all, we're gonna go into the flowchart. This is basically how we can use this in order to we can start from Google Sheets as a database, create a new invoice, and then we want to convert this to PDF. And finally, we're gonna send this to the client. Okay, so for this, now what do you need? Okay, first of all, remember in the previous video we have working um, about how to create a contract. Now, this is the next video about invoice. That's the reason why we keep the same database. So first of all, remember it's important having a template as a database. Okay, for this, in the last video, we we created this database with the principal fields such as client, country, email, project description, scope of work, delivery date, current date, well, the amount, the principal fields. Okay, now in this case, we only use this. The only difference is that we need to add here a new field. Okay, this is for the invoice. Here we don't send set invoice. Okay, what it means. Okay, I'm gonna insert here a check. What it means every time that I activate here, this will automatically set the invoice to your clients. Okay, that is important. Now, well, remember this is a database you can fill out by yourself, or it can be filled out automatically by an automation, for example. Okay, now go here. Well, the next thing we're gonna do is to set up the template. Okay, in this case we're gonna use again Google Sheet. If you have a template, it's perfect, or if not, you can create a new one. Okay, so set up a template in Google Sheet. Perfect. Now we're going to go again here, Google Sheet. Remember, you have templates here. You have personal, to list, work, here invoice. In this case, I want to choose this one. Okay, this look great, definitely. I want to make some changes here. Your company name is here, invoice. Remember that we're using a template. We need to use curly braces to configure every parameter here. it's important to use these dynamic parameters because this will be so helpful in order that we can add for multiple clients in only one time. Okay, now we are here and we're gonna set up the parameters here. Okay, well, your company invoice submit on here, submitted on with this is the current date. Remember, we use this curve braces because we're gonna use dynamic parameters in order to you can only configure at one time, and then we're gonna use this same format for multiple clients. Okay, invoice for client payable to, I'm gonna use my name again. Here, remember, we're gonna using these fields again, these parameters: pro description, delivery date, current date. Okay, well, go back here. And here is the project name, obviously, or project description. Due date. In our case, it's delivery date. Description, item 1, item 2. I'm gonna use only item 1, but depending on your needs, you can use another items. Okay, here I'm gonna use again project description. All right, here is the amount, and I think it's all. Project description, the amount, name, current date, delivery date, your company. Okay, depending on your needs, you can set up the SDK. Well, server template in Google Sheet is done. Now, in the previous video, we're gonna see how to install, in this case, the trigger in Google Sheet. But don't matter. In this case, again, it's important to use this. That is the importance. We don't say use the webhook, and in this case, we need to activate the trigger from Google Sheet. Okay, we're gonna use a webhook and trigger for a Google Sheet. Okay. Well, now we'll go. Let's jump into Google Sheet again. Here, in your database, client. Remember, no problem. I repeat again here. If you don't have this, go to extension, add-ons, add-ons on here. We're gonna add a new one. You only searching for make for Google Sheets. Okay. you install here. In my case, it's install it. Install this. It's so easy. And then when you got it, go here, make for Google Sheet settings, and you will activate this. You need a webhook URL from make.com. Okay, but well, use the webhook and trigger from Google Sheet. Perfect. Well, it's all. Now the next is automate on make.com. Perfect. Now we're gonna go again to make.com. Okay. Remember, you can create your account so easy. Go to make.com. You can get started free. It's so easy. Okay, now we're gonna go here and start from scratch. Remember, create a new scenario. Well, once we're here, I'm gonna use again Google Sheet, and here what we're gonna do is watch a new row. Okay, we all know almost all options. In the last case, in the last video, we use this watch new rows. Now we're gonna use watch new changes. Remember, every change that we're gonna make here in our database will automatically send this information to make.com. Okay, that is the reason. Now we're gonna use this trigger, watch changes. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Normally here, add a new one, save. We have here this link, copy address to clipboard. I'm gonna copy this. This is important, and we're gonna go to our database. And here I'm gonna paste. Okay, perfect. It's the only thing what we're gonna do here. And then save. Setting saved successfully. Okay, perfect. Okay, that means that it's all. I'll go back here, Google Sheet, and okay. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is to add a new module, again Google Sheet, and we're going to create a spreadsheet from a template. Click here to choose a file, where the template name is Invoice. Okay. And here we have the curly braces. We want to match here from the row values. Here it's empty. It's not a problem here. We're gonna make a test. A short test and link again. And run once. Here. Okay, now we get the values. We'll deactivate again here. Perfect. Now we got it. To the field name is this. Well, we got it. It's here. Row values. Okay. Current date. It's is this? Well, it's perfect. Okay. Now, client is a name, project description, AI automation, and delivery time is this. And amount, here appears amount is okay. Well, the title I wanna put in here invoice and the client name, okay? Location, it's a drive here. Test. I'm gonna use this, okay? Where it will be saved. Well, that's all, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is here to download this, and for I'm gonna use Google Docs. Remember, find here you can write and put in Google Sheet or Google Docs in this case is here, and we're gonna download a document. Okay, document ID. We're on a map. Where is this? It's a spreadsheet ID. Okay, it comes from the last step, spreadsheet ID. The type, again, we're gonna choose PDF. Okay, perfect. Well, and finally, we're gonna add a new module here. There will be email and send an email. Okay, attach the recipient. This will be here. Raw values. Okay, the email of the client, the subject. I'm gonna put in here invoice and use some emoji maybe. Okay, contact type here. I'm gonna write something like, you know, hi. The name is client name. I'm attaching you. Well, your invoice here, invoice. Okay, it's been great working with you. Well, by the moment, so I think many thanks. Okay, well, I'm gonna have my name here. Okay, that's all. What else? Here, attachment, the file. This automatically recognize the download file. Okay. Well. Okay. Now, perfect. Well, we got everything here, and you are it. Now I'm gonna make a test. Okay. Let's run. But first of all, I'm gonna go here. Remember, this is deactivated. Okay, let's run it once. Okay, here's waiting for a new data. Go to your database, and we're gonna see when everything is done here, you only check set invoice and make the job here. It's creating, it's convert to PDF in perfect, it's done. Send email. You go to your email and you have here invoice. Open. Hi, Sam Smith. I'm attaching your invoice. It's been great with you. Thanks. Okay. Open this. Here you have your company invoice. Submit on due date. Sam Smith, payable to. Here the amount, the automation. Well, remember, you can add, depending on your needs, more items, okay? In this case, I'm gonna use only this. Or you can delete if you only have one services. Okay, now here the price. Well, look great. That's all I think. Okay, perfect. Well, you got it here. It's done. Will automate or make the call. Okay, remember to make automations have a lot of advantages. Here we have some of these. You don't need to create an invoice for each client. There's no need to send emails to each client, save time, it's free, reduces the risk of human error and invoice creation and delivery. The automation ensures consistency and formatting accuracy of invoices, and it allows you to focus more on other important tasks, improving productivity. You have great advantages if you advantages. Remember, it's so important for your business, for your daily life. Anyway, well, another thing that I'm gonna add here is you can put some modules. This is the video about invoices true, but you can ask someone here is save again your invoice in your drive, Dropbox, Google Cloud, The another thing you can add here another apps what what are you using in this case, and it's more, you can make this, and in the same time, remember you have in this database send invoice in the previous video we are creating the contract. In this case you can make this. In this case you have send first and then send the invoice, contract invoice in one time. You have a lot of options where you can use make. Okay, you have a lot of options how you can use this incredible tool and all the advantages. You have bunch of tools here. Okay, you have bunch of tools where you can use depending on the needs that you have. Well, okay, I think that's the most important things that I'm covered here. So I hope this was helpful again, and remember, stay tuned for more. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.